Their muscles look soft and definition is not clearly visible on stage, even though they are low in body fat. You would have seen this problem in a lot of bodybuilders. To fix this, top-tier Olympia coach Dom Super Slice uses a setup most people completely miss. Let's say Saturday is the competition. On Wednesday or the day before you start carb loading, fats are increased. But wait, why the hell are we increasing more fats 3 days before competition? And no, it is not about calories. Dropping carbs early increases insulin sensitivity, which is good. But it also makes the muscle lose their ability to hold glycogen. And here's the part most people do not understand. Being lean is not enough. For muscles to look round and sharp, they have to be full of carbs and water, not empty. So here's the fix. Fats are used to load intracellular triglycerides, basically muscle fat stores. When you add fats to a high glycemic index carb, it slows the glycemic response. Think of fats as the glue. They make carbs stick to your muscles instead of just burning off. Once those muscle fat stores are loaded, carbs finally turn into real muscle glycogen. Without fats, you can eat a crazy amount of carbs and still look flat as hell. That's why most carb loading problems aren't carb problems. They are created before the carb loading even starts. And that's not the end of it. There's one more thing most people miss. Even if carbs are perfect, protein can still screw up the look. Sounds crazy, right? Because in the last 2 days, it's not about eating more food. It's about fullness without gut load. That chicken and fish, it sits like a brick in your stomach, holds the scale weight, and softens the abs. This is where most guys mess up. They blame carbs and never realize protein was the main culprit. That's why in the final days, food needs to be light on the gut, but heavy on calories. Dry carbs like rice cakes and fats like almond butter do the job without wrecking your look. This is the kind of detail I break down regularly. Hit follow and share this with people who compete in bodybuilding. Like it, save it, and don't make this mistake when you compete.